Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Miami. Firstly, open any of the web browser, and in the top there's this address bar. Type down pay traffic ticket online in Miami and enter it. And over here from the search result, what you need to do is you need to select the second website here, traffic and parking. Select there. Over here, what you can do is you need to scroll a bit down here. Over here, you can find this traffic citation, and from here, select this search or order certified copy paste several traffic infractions online. You can simply search by the citation, or you can also search by the driver license or any of the mentioned here. As I'm going to select this search from the citation here. So from here, what you need to do is you need to simply type down a citation number here. And after that, select the search here in the bottom. And after that, you can review the ticket and amount due, and you can pay online using a Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.